Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this session, let's see how to uninstall applications on Windows 10. Let's uninstall these three applications using different methods in Windows 10. The first method is go to all settings by clicking Windows plus A, and then all settings. Go to apps, search for Oracle Virtual Box, click on uninstall and then uninstall it. It will be asking you to provide administrator access, so click on yes. This will take a bit time and then gets uninstalled your virtual box. Yeah, now you can't find your Oracle virtual box anymore over here, and even this will not work, and you can delete this shortcut. And the other way is go to control panel, go to programs or uninstall a program and select Zoom, click on uninstall, and it takes a bit of time to get uninstalled. And the application has been uninstalled successfully, and you can't see Zoom anymore. And the third way is like go to Tally, and if you right click here in the search bar and click on uninstall, it will again take you to control panel. Here you can select the application and you can click on uninstall and give them the administrate access, and then click on S. Then even this will get uninstalled successfully. These are the three ways to uninstall any application on your Windows 10. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. For further updates, please stay tuned to my channel. Thank you.